How to share someone's story on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share someone's story on Instagram. So in order to share someone's story on Instagram, first of all, you'll need to go ahead and open up your Instagram. Make sure that your application is completely updated. In order to share someone else's story on Instagram, there are different ways to do it. So now first of all, let me show you when you go to your DMs icon, and if the particular user has actually mentioned you, then it's going to be very easy for you to share it. Just open up the DMs page where the user has actually mentioned you on the following story. In my case, as you can see, this particular user has mentioned me on their story. Now there will be an option indicating that add to your story. When you press on it, then you can adjust the size and all that, and then you can just go ahead and tap on your story. Now the story will be added to your story. That's very simple. However, if the user has not mentioned you, now let's go ahead and check the following user. Now let's see, this is the one. The user has not actually mentioned me. So all you can do is just hold on and take a screenshot. Once you've taken a screenshot, then you can go to your home page from here and click on your story. Swipe up from the left hand side and go to camera icon and go to the images that's stored, and here you can see this is the one that I've recently taken a screenshot. So in order to upload it, just adjust the size once again and click on your story. So that's how you can add it to your story. And similarly, if it is a video, then you can take a screen record. In my case, currently I'm taking a screen record, so I won't be able to show you how you can actually take a screen record, but very simple. All you need to do is just open up their story, and from there you need to just hold on till the video ends, and then you can screen record it and save it to your gallery. After that, do the same procedure, that is, go to your story and then add it to your story. So that's how simple it is to share someone else's story on Instagram. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.